We're here in the brew house, which is the heart of every brewery. Here, the grist is mixed with water, a process they call mashing. During that mashing process, there are several steps of temperature. And this is where the enzymes convert starch into sugars. Then, this mash is pumped into the loaded tun. Here, the spent grains are left behind and the wort is transferred to the kettle. And the kettle is the place where they boil the wort. This is a process that takes about 90 minutes. This is where they add hops. And after this boiling process, they knock out the wort. Here, they do it on a traditional coolship.
The coolship has, of course, nothing to do with a ship or boat. It is rather a collection pan for the boiling hot wort. From here, the wort flows down to the heat exchanger.
Now this is a classic cooling system. The hot drop stays up there in the coolship. Now the wort runs down here at about 70 degrees centigrade and runs over these water pipes. In fact, it's cooled down from 70 degrees centigrade to 7 degrees centigrade. At the same time, it picks up some oxygen, which is vital for the yeast. Once the wort is cooled down, it's moved to the fermenting cellar. Here in these fermenting vessels, the yeast is pitched. The yeast is a microbe that converts the sugars from the wort into alcohol and carbon dioxide. It's a process that takes about 7 days. You see there's foam building here, and that foam will be removed because it has some not so pleasant tasting components. But then we move that young beer into the lager cellar.